we will see how to draw 2D objects and how to draw 3D objects. Last day I had given the homework. I hope all of you have done. Garg, have you done the homework? Say yes or no. Garg Tripathi. Aditya Kumar Yadav. Have you done the homework? So the notebook. So the book is good. This rest has done now. So now let's move to the next exercise. First of all, we will learn how to draw a cube. How to draw a cube. Take the rough copy. Don't take fair copy. In rough copy, you learn first how to draw the cube. Then we will move to the exercise part. For drawing the cube, you need to make two squares. Make like this. Take the ruler and pencil in the hand and make it. One square like this you make. And give a name to it. A, B, C, D. Now you have to make another square. See where you will make. First one you made. All of you made. After making in the rough notebook, show the notebook to me. Make it. After making, show it. Then another square we will make here. Cutting the first one. And we will name it as P, Q, R, S. Okay. And you know that these are the vertices of the square. Vertices means corners. Vertices means corners. Now what we have to do? We have to join the vertices. Nothing else we have to do. And we will get the cube. See here. Join the vertices like this. And this is what called the cube. This is what called the cube. Okay, this is the way of drawing the cube. This is 3D figure. Which figure? 3D means three-dimensional figure which cannot be drawn on the plain paper. Which cannot be drawn on the plain paper. Okay. Now we will learn how to draw. This is cube. Cube is made out of two squares and cuboid is made out of two rectangles. Now, take the pencil and scale. Make one rectangle. Make one rectangle like this. This is rectangle now. Give any name to this rectangle. A, B, C, D or P, Q, R, S. Any name you can give. A, B, C, D. Now, make another rectangle. You have to make another rectangle. Where you will make either up or down you make, but it should cut the first rectangle like this. Both the rectangles should be of the same measurement. Now look here what we have to do. Again we have to join the vertices. This is vertices, Navita. So we will join the vertices here also. And we will get this as cuboid. What we will get? We will get cuboid. This is what? Cuboid. This is cuboid and that is what? Cube. Both are 3D figures. Which figures? 3D figures. I hope all of you have practiced it in the rough notebook. Please don't draw in the fair copy. You have to draw in the rough copy this one. Now we will learn how to draw cylinder. How to draw cylinder. Let's see how to draw. Draw two parallel lines. Parallel lines like this. Parallel lines are drawn like this. One this side and one that side. Okay. This is cube. This is cuboid. First one is cube. Second one is cuboid. And this is cylinder. And what you have to do after drawing the two lines at the top, you can give it a name A, B, C, D. AC and BD are two lines here. You have to draw an oval shape on the top of the and you will get the cylinder. This is cylinder. This is what? Cylinder. Okay. Good. Drawn. Now we will learn how to draw a cone. For cone, what you need to draw? You need to draw a triangle shape like this. Not 3 lines, but only 2 lines. Drawn. And at the bottom, you have to draw again an oval shape like this. And this is what's called cone. What is this? Cone. Cone just looks like inverted ice cream, no? Inverted ice cream, no? Cone just looks like inverted ice cream. This is how to draw these figures. Cube, we learn how to draw 4 figures here. Cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. 4 figures we learn how to draw. I hope all of you have understood how to draw, no? This is about the figures. Now we will learn how to read a map. Nothing you have to write in the copy beta. Now you understand everything. And when I will tell you open the book and copy, then only you open. We will learn how to read a map. Suppose your house is 2 kilometers far away from the school. And you need to go home. So how to tell or how to make understand anyone that which way we will go to our house, and that is called reading a map. Okay. So what is a map key? A map key tells what the symbols on a map stand for. For reading the map, you need to understand map key. And what is a map key? Map key is a symbol that map key tells what the symbols on the map tell us. What does the symbol on the map stands for? That is called the map key. Now we will move to the exercise part and we will see all the questions, and this you have to do in the book. Take page number 195. Exercise 68 you have done yesterday, and today we will start with exercise 69. 68 we have done yesterday, no? Yes, we have done yesterday 68, and today we will start with exercise 69 in the book itself. Exercise 69. All the explanation which I gave was about this exercise only. Take page number 195, that's all of you. 195. This page number you have to take. Is it possible to designate the following shapes, right? Yes or no? You have to do this. So, what you have to do? You have to do this exercise. And I made you understand what is meaning of tessellating. Tessellating means whether the shapes can be repeated for tiling the surface, for flooring the surface. In our schools or homes, in the rooms floor, what we do, we fix the tiles, and for making, looking it beautiful, no? Tiles are put, no? So we will see if it is of the same pattern that can be repeated. That is called tessellating. The first figure is yes or no, can it be tessellated? These shapes are given, look here. Pentagon shape. Look here. This can be tessellated or not. So we will write this. Right? One gap line is given, no? In that we write this. Second one. Look for the second one, like this it's given, no? This also can be tessellated. Yes. does not look nice. So this cannot be tessellated and we will write no here. What we will write? No we will write. What we will write? No. That figure cannot be tessellated. No need to draw. In order to make you understand, I am drawing. Okay. So first figure yes, second figure yes, third one no. Now look at the fourth figure which is given in the book. Look at the fourth figure. Fourth figure is again another figure is given. Look here. It's like this. Can it be tessellated? No. If I draw another, suppose if I draw here, what will happen? These gaps will come. This type of gaps will come, so it cannot be tessellated, and we have to write no. Right? No. Next figure also, hexagon is given. In case of hexagon, if we tessellate, I will show you how to tessellate that figure. If I draw from here, look. If I draw from here, what will happen? If I draw from here, what will happen? Look at the figure. These gaps will come, no? These gaps. So this figure also cannot be tessellated and you have to write no. And the last one, last figure, it is in another design which cannot be tessellated at all. You can see, no? So that will also be no. So these two figures you write as first and second. First, second yes, third one no, fourth one no, fifth one yes, sixth one no. Numbering is not given, but I will write in a sequence so you can write the answer properly. For first three figures which are given on top, S, no. For the last three figures which are given on the bottom side, you have to write no, yes, then no. No, S, no. Now page number 196. Take page number 196. Draw a tessellating pattern for the sets given below. Also color the tiles with different colors of your choice to create a color pattern. What you have to do, you have to make the three figures are given, no, A, B and C. You have to draw the same figure repeatedly. Already drawing is there, just you have to put the color pencil, okay? With the color pencil you have to do. So question number 2 is your homework. Do in the book. Do question number 2 in the book. Where you have to do it in the book, not in the copy. Now take your notebook. Take your notebook. For question number 3 and 4, we will do in the notebook. Take your notebook, all of you. Write today's date in the notebook. Fair copy. Fair copy. Fair copy you take. And in the fair copy, you write exercise 69. Today's date 22/1/2022. 22/1/2022. Then you write question number 3. Question number 3 we will do in the copy. Draw line drawing of a cuboid. Draw. Do it from the board. Draw line drawing of a cuboid. Line drawing of a cuboid. Line drawing of a cuboid. Draw a line drawing of a cuboid. Look here. Cuboid you have to draw, so you have to draw 2 rectangles. You have to draw two rectangles like this. Draw as I said. Then join the vertices. Join the vertices of the rectangle. This is what called the cuboid. Cuboid. Now fourth one, draw line drawing of a cylinder. This is the answer for third question. Now for fourth one, draw line drawing of a cylinder. Line drawing of a cylinder. See how to draw the line drawing of a cylinder. You have to make two parallel lines and draw the oval shape on the top of the lines and also at the bottom of the lines. This is what called the cylinder. I think it is visible to everyone, no? Can you see the board? Draw. This is the answer for third question and this is the answer for the fourth question. See, exercise 67 we have done in the copy, one question which I sent the PDF yesterday. And 68 you don't have to do in the copy. Nothing you have to do in the copy. 68, all you have to do in the book itself. Exercise 69 you have to do in the copy, these two questions. Draw line drawing of a cuboid and draw line drawing of a cylinder. Finish this much, then we will move to the next question, question number 5 of the same exercise. Draw this. I hope all of you have done. Done now? Do it fast. Two figures you have to draw. One is cuboid and other one is cylinder. I told you how to draw. You have to draw two rectangles and cut it. You will get the cuboid. And for cylinder, you have to make two parallel lines and draw oval shape on the top and the bottom. Now for question number 5, you have to look in the book. Page number 197, you have to look into the book. Read the map given below and answer the questions that follow it. Map key is given on the right side and on the left side, full map is given. You have to read. Draw a circle around each city. So how the city is indicated? City is indicated with a black color, no? With a black color, no? Black circle. So wherever there is city, you have to draw a circle around it. I will tell you how to draw. I will show my book and they have to do from that. See how to do question number 5. I will do in my book and you can see. So see, black color indicates city, no? So you have to draw a circle around it like this. Is it visible to everyone? Look into my book. Can you see? Can you see? Good. So draw. Now, here also city is there. Two more places. You have to draw a circle around it. See, 3 places I have drawn circle. Can you see? Can you look here? Can you see? Visible to everyone, no? Ansh Yadav. So make that figure. Now second one, draw a triangle around the cricket field. How cricket field is shown? Cricket field is shown with a green color and the 2 blue lines are made. And here 2 cricket fields are there. triangle. I will draw and show to you like this. See? Two places. Can you see? Is it visible to you? Visible triangle. I will open the book and show better. Can you see now? Visible to everyone? Look here. Shuhaib, are you doing? Doing Shuhaib? Ah, good, very good boy. Draw a cross over the capital, and capital is shown with this star. One capital is there and you have to draw a cross like this. Look here. Draw a cross over the capital. Can you see here? I have drawn the cross now? Yes, same way. Color the parks green. Parks you have to color with the green color. And how the park is shown? Park is shown just like the bell, no? So I don't have green color. I am coloring using pencil. You have to use green color here. Which color you have to use? Green color. I don't have green color, so I am coloring with the pencil. And after coloring, you have to show the book to me. See. Can you see? I have colored two parks. Colored now? And how many parks are here? 4 parks are here. And all the 4 parks you have to color with the green color. It is asked to color with the green color. So color using green color. Color it. Color the parks using green color. Now I have colored all the 4 parks. Can you see? Yes. So use green color instead of the pencil. Color the university yellow color. I don't have yellow color, so again I will use pencil. University is shown like a building, no? Here, see? Can you see? Here one university is given and that you have to color. Do you know what is university? You are studying in school, no? So when you go for your degree courses, you will go to study in university. Big colleges, okay, that is called the university. So big building is shown here. You have to color with the yellow color. Okay, this exercise is over. Not only this exercise, but this chapter is also over. Now we will study next chapter, patterns. But before that, let me ask if you have any doubt. We have finished this chapter, chapter 13. And today we will understand the important concepts about the patterns, and next day we will move in the exercise part. So let's see what is meaning of patterns. Chapter 14 we are going to start patterns. Chapter 14. Do you know what is a pattern? All of you are familiar with these terms. Pattern means anything which is repeated in an order. If I tell, when you are going for the assembly, you are standing in a pattern, in a way, in a sequence, that is also called the pattern. You all are coming in the school uniform, in a similar pattern. And your teacher is wearing the sari, that is on the pattern. On the borders you can see, no? Mothers are wearing. One pattern is there, no? Border type, that is also called pattern. You are keeping your books and copies arranged in the proper order in your bag. That is also pattern. So in our daily life, we see so many things in the pattern, but we are not focusing on that. Have you seen a snack? On the snacks model, you can see different type of figures and patterns, no? That is about the figure patterns. All these patterns are repeating patterns, okay, because they go in a proper way. Similarly, like the figure patterns, we have the number patterns. Suppose if I write like this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These numbers are in the pattern. Which pattern? Next number comes after adding 2 or multiplying 2. 2 2s are 4. So this is increasing pattern. Increasing pattern means we are adding and moving. Decreasing patterns, we are subtracting and moving. Okay. So the patterns can be of different type, either figure-like or number-like patterns. Next day, we will have deep discussion about this. Not only about this, but about the exercise part. This exercise 70 we will do. See here, nothing we have to do in the copy. We have to do in the book itself. You have to draw the figures. Okay. I will tell which figure where you have to draw, and you have to draw in the book next day. Tomorrow we'll meet with the exercise 70. For today, you do one question as homework, which I gave. Tomorrow we will meet with exercise 70. Thank you, class. If any doubt is there,